Hi there, today we're on the floor for a fun kettlebell core circuit. The outfit today is called Seeing Spots. I'm wearing the Harlow printed reversible top. It's got blue on the inside, so pretty, with our high-waisted Powerhold short. It's the 9-inch short. So fun and cute. A little bit of polka dot won't hurt anybody. So for this kettlebell core circuit, you're gonna be down on the ground. I'm using a kettlebell. You can use any weighted object that you have at home that works for you. This is the diagonal press. Beginners, your feet are going to be on the ground. More advanced, you're going to bring your feet up. You're twisting with the kettlebell or dumbbell or whatever you found, and you're pressing up diagonal, opposite direction. Okay? Down and press. And more advanced, bring your feet up. Press, you're going to do 5 to 10. On the one side, do not forget, we have two sides. Don't forget the other side. Okay? Down to the left, and press up. 2, 3. Keep your core tight, stay balanced, keep those knees up. Bring it down. Okay, so now we're gonna do pass-throughs. It's a more intermediate to advanced move. Knees are gonna be up, alternating legs back and forth while you're passing the kettlebell or weight through your legs. Core tight. Okay. Breathe, go slow, and keep your form. So last we have around the world. I'm going to be in a seated position. You can actually do this standing as well. For beginners, your feet are going to be on the ground, and for more advanced, you're going to bring your knees up. You're going to bring the kettlebell around your head, bring it back in. Kettlebell comes around your head and back in. Okay, keep your balance, core tight. If your feet are on the ground, this is how it looks. There you have it. That's it. Thank you for doing these with me. Hopefully you continue to take care of yourself while you're taking care of the ones you love.